John Rexel Sembilio. Now let's talk about how to install a computer. Monitor. A monitor is a piece of computer hardware that displays the video and graphic information generated by a connected computer through the computer video card. Function of computer monitor. The output of computer can be seen in the monitor. Monitor is basically for viewing purposes. Why do you need a monitor on a computer? Without a monitor, you can't manage what you are doing on a computer. A monitor is an essential hardware on a computer. Is a function of computer monitor. The function of a computer monitor are mainly to display content that is within the computer. The monitor is the screen found in any computer. What is computer mouse? A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that control a cursor in a GUI or graphic user interface and can move and select text, icons, files, and folders on your computer. Was one of earliest PC peripherals and still going strong as a constant companion of the keyboard. While the keyboard is set up for typing, the mouse is designed for pointing and clicking around a graphical user interface such as those used by Windows or the Mac OS, as well by the many applications that run on those operating system. Input text, characters, and other commands into a computer or similar device. Even though the keyboard is an external peripheral device in the desktop system, it sits outside the main computer housing or virtual in a tablet. PC is an essential part of a computer complete system. What is the function of a keyboard? A computer keyboard allows an operator to give command to the computer in simply way by pressing the keyboard are typically labeled with their input function, ranging from letters of alphabets to numbers and symbols. What is floppy disk or diskette? Alternatively referred to a floppy or floppy disk. A floppy disk, it is a type of storage media capable of storing electric data like a computer file. The floppy diskette was first created in 1967 by IBM. It's an alternative to buying hard drives, which are extremely expensive at the time. What is the purpose of floppy disk drive? A floppy disk drive or FDD is a small disk drive used in computers for data transfer, storage, and backup of small amounts of data, as well as installation of programs and driver updates. Where is floppy disk drive located? Floppy disk drive located is typically located in the front of desktop computer, beneath any CD-ROM or DVD drives. If laptop is equipped with one, it will be the sides. CPU or Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit (CPU) or processor is unit which perform the most of the processing inside a computer. It processes all instruction received by software running in the PC and by other hardware components and acts as a powerful calculator. What is the function of CPU? The function of the CPU or central processing unit is to perform operation which your computer run. Printer. A printer is an external hardware output device that takes the electronic data stored on a computer or other device and generated a hard copy. For example, if you created a report on your computer, you could print several copies to hand out a staff meeting. The function of a printer is to turn digital data into printed media. This could be text or it could graphic output. One of the earliest printers to come with personal computers was the dot matrix printer. Speaker. A speaker is a term of use to describe the user who giving vocal commands to a software program. A computer is an output hardware that connects to a computer to generate sound. The speaker is an output device which gives user auditory feedback regarding the state of the computer. GPU. A graphics processing unit or GPU is a computer chips that perform rapid mathematical calculation primarily for the purpose of rendering image. External GPU is a graphic processor located outside of the housing of a computer, similar to large external hard drive. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.